What is the army recruitment paper leak case and who are the accused? The All India exam for the over 3,000 aspirants were slated to appear was cancelled after the question paper leak had came to light in the last week of February. The two army officers of major rank who have been arrested as the key suspect in the army recruitment paper leak case will be produced before a court in Pune on Monday, 15th March. What was the examination and how did the paper leak come to light? On February 28, the Army was conducted a Pan-India Common Entrance Exam for recruitment of soldiers, general duty. This particular process was referred to as relation recruitment, meaning this drive was for those who have immediate relatives in the army. The written exam was to be conducted at 40 exam centers across India and around 30,000 aspirants were to be appear for it. After receiving a tip-off about a paper leak, Sleuths from the military intelligence of the army conducted a joint operation with Pune police and raided various places in the around Pune prior to the scheduled examination and seized question papers. The primary probe revealed that the subjected leaked paper was a 100% match to the original question paper, following which the army cancelled the entire process. How has the investigation progressed till now? After the leak had came to light, the Pune police registered two separate offences at Vanawadi and Vishrantwadi police station in Pune city, denoting proofs by two separate teams of the crime branch into paper leak in the same examination process. Till now, 3 persons have been arrested in the case registered at Vishrantwadi police station. The probe into the case at Vanawadi police station has sent a total of 7 arrests till now, including those of 2 serving officers of major rank, one currently at an army establishment in Tamil Nadu and another in Delhi, and 2 serving soldiers currently serving in Pune. 3 other arrested include 2 civilian and 1 ex-serviceman. What has been the Indian Army's response? Days after the leak of question paper came to light, the Indian Army said that the existing system of recruitment process will be made more foolproof and robust by incorporating the findings of joint investigation by Army authorities and Maharashtra Police. On the other hand, the Army is planning to conduct an internal inquiry following the completion of the ongoing probe by the police in tandem with military intelligence. The internal inquiry by the Army will try to ascertain possible procedural lapses that might have caused or aided the elite paper leak.